Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another case review. Today we're going to be looking at the rugged protective cover for the Galaxy S21. Let's crack it open and see what it looks like. So this case offers very good protection. It has a really nice grip on the side, so when you're holding it, it most likely won't ever slip out of your hand. It also has two kickstands built in, which allows you to view the screen at about 45 degrees or at 60 degrees. Now let's say if you drop your phone while you have your kickstand out, they'll actually snap off in order to protect it from breaking it permanently. So you can just snap it right back on. Now I find these kickstands very useful. For example, if I'm eating, I can just prop it up on the table and enjoy content in the meantime. Or if you're on an airplane, you can just set it up on your tray table. So I've been using this case for about a year now, and the only wear and tear is on the kickstands from just setting it down on the table. I've dropped it multiple times and it's protected my phone very well, and wireless charging works. So in my opinion, it's probably the best case you can get for the S21. That wraps up this review. Thanks again for watching, and see you guys in the next video.